it ghee. Ghritam tesvinam pitta anilaharam rasa saujasam, says Ayurveda. It is pure butyric acid, caprionic acid and a few other fatty acids. No protein at all. Protein is that dark suit that comes out when you clarify butter. They don't want to change it because they want more people in ill health. Then only they can say, we will have Garibi Hatao. They have been Garibi Hataoing for a long time. But if the Garibi is really Hataoed, who will vote for them? So they want, in a sense, Garibi to continue. They want malnutrition to continue. They want ill health to continue. Otherwise, how can hospitals thrive? If everybody becomes sick, there is a need for a hospital. I was telling doctors, if you are a doctor, become a gynecologist. Because even if everybody becomes healthy, still, procreation will continue. If you are in business, be a restaurateur. Because anything happens, you want to eat. Without eating, you won't survive. So these two businesses, you don't have to monger. Otherwise, if I am a doctor, so if I am a cardiologist, and I want to do angiograms, I want everybody to have a block. Mark Twain once said, for a man with a hammer in the hand and itching to use it, everything in this universe looks like a nail needing hammering. Somebody the other day was telling me a nice story. I must tell you that. I must get it out of my chest before I forget it. Heart attack in the shop. Oh, I know what I was doing. I was playing with the switch. That's why on and off it is going. What a fool I am. Playing with the switch. So, man had a heart attack. He became unconscious. He was taken to the nearby hospital, let us say, X hospital. And they treated him, etc., etc. On the third day, he started opening his eyes. This was a charitable hospital. Charitable hospitals, do you know today? Charitable hospital is a hospital which gets all tax rebates from the government and charges extra for the patients. Now anyway, this was a charitable hospital run by nuns. Now there is a nun sitting by the side and saying, what is your name? He told his name. Where do you come from? He said, do you have any relatives? He said, no, except one sister. Do you have insurance? He said, no, I don't know what insurance is. Do you have a job? He said, I don't have a job. Are you under the care of the government? I said, no, I don't have anything with the government. Then who will pay your bill? It is already 4 lakhs. He said, I don't know. Then he said, you said you have a sister, what's she doing? She is a sister, she is a nun and she is a spinster. He said, the sister suddenly grew serious and she said, nuns are not spinsters, they are all married to God. Then fine sister, send the bill to my brother-in-law. So today you must God as your brother-in-law if you fall sick and go to a hospital. To change that, I started this concept called wellness concept, about which I have been writing for 25 years now, where I said, A, we are all born with an inbuilt doctor, whom I call as the internal healer, which we call as the immune system, which you respect from day one. Number one, how do you respect that? You drink your mother's milk as long as you can. As long as you can. And don't drink milk at all, because it is foreign protein, it will destroy you. If you want to take any milk, if you don't have a mother, you can denature the milk and make it curds. And that too, make it ghee. Ghritam tesvinam pitta anilaharam rasa saujasam, says Ayurveda. It is pure butyric acid, caprionic acid and a few other fatty acids. No protein at all. Protein is that dark suit that comes out when you clarify butter. And then you eat food as given by nature. Not, changing food to taste the suit, as given by nature.